Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a support zone reversal here on the Russell. So we just had our first target filled here. Let's get our first target in the mix. Let's see, 1162.3, and the final target's back up at these highs again. Now we're going to have to go a couple ticks underneath it, just because you always need to be a little bit ahead of basically ahead of schedule where you think it's going to turn around, just because obviously you don't want to get stuck in a bad position here. So we're long here at 1161.1. Stop is down here at 60.5, taking 3 contracts off at 62.3, and taking the final remainder 1 contract off at 63.6, just a couple ticks ahead of this area up here. Now, looking at this trade, the reason I like this setup so much is we've basically come off of these highs, made a fake break to a new high up here on the 6-point high, and immediately rejected straight back down. And you can see we've already filled that first target. Now, one thing that we need to be careful of is a potential reversal in this area here. Looking in the converse here, we did go through this area here, so that's good. Now, we've got to be careful about that area up there. Now, because of that being there, I'm going to move my stop up a little bit just to protect ourselves from this potential rejection off of here at that 1163.1. What I don't want to see is price to go and hit that area and then reverse. So I'm going to move my stop up a little bit further, 62.7. And actually, if we do reverse from there, might be another area that you can hop in. It's a little bit ahead of schedule though. That orange box there is really where we want it to go. Now it could potentially make a second attempt at that location, so we could draw up another one really, but again, you know, looking at the downside here is a nice area, but we still should be seeing these highs filled. If it does fail here, it's probably going to be a relatively strong failure where we're going to start reaching down into this next area around 1158.6, 58.7, in that kind of location there. But very fast trade. I mean, it was pretty much in and out, and we can get the data series to plot here. We are long right here at 1161.1, had 3 contracts off at 62.3. It's 12 ticks per times 3. And then we got stopped out on that final one up here on a pretty fast area of reversal at 62.7 for another 16. Now, again, the reason I didn't like that area is because we came up, rejected this area to the tick, and then bounced right back down again. And this is an area that I already know, you know, if you're looking to the downside, that should be where you're looking to sell regardless. So that's not really an area I want to be holding into if it starts reversing. So in this case, took 3 off at 12. So let's get the calculator open here. 12 times 3 plus another 16, $520 on the trade. Very fast trade. I mean, from the time we were triggered in at 10:17, got stopped out on the final one at 10:19. I mean, you're talking all of a 2-minute trade here. So quick in, quick out, which is pretty much the way that I think everybody really likes to take money home out of the bank. So that's going to be the trade for today. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade, and don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. Have a good one.